Welcome to our quick tutorial on how to edit your current city on Facebook. With the recent updates, the process has become even simpler, and we're here to guide you through it step by step. Whether you've moved to a new place or just want to update your profile information, this video will show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone. Once you're in, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the bottom right corner of your screen. This is your menu button. Go ahead and tap it. Now, in the menu that appears, you'll want to navigate to your profile. Tap on it, and then look for the Edit Profile option. This is where the magic happens. As you scroll down your profile, you'll come across the Details section. Tap on Edit here to access more specific information about yourself. Keep scrolling until you find the Current Town/City section. This is where your location is displayed. See that little pencil icon next to your city? That's your Edit button. Give it a tap. Now you're in the editing mode. Simply type in your new city or town. Facebook will usually suggest locations as you type, so you can select the correct one from the drop-down list. Once you've entered your new location, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually at the top right or bottom of your screen, and tap it. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your current city on Facebook. It's that easy. Your profile will now display your new location, keeping your friends and followers up to date with where you're at. Remember, you can always repeat these steps if you move again or need to make any further changes. Stay connected and keep your profile current. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.